Hi, it's Stuffed Cabbage Adventures and we are in Prague staying at the NYX Hotel. We're gonna show you what the experience is like, so come and join us. So here we have the room. If we enter, it's already starting to feel a little bit cramped. As you can see that I'm standing here, it's not a big room, but has some nice industrial elements to it in the design. But yeah, this is all that I can show you from the room itself. Now let's check out the bathroom. This is quite the spacious bathroom. You see this huge showering area. It is very big. That's my head as comparison. Alright, so first impression of the hotel. It was overwhelming. When you step into the elevator, it's these funky colors, which you don't really see in hotels. Plus, here in the room, you also had funky colors. Let me try and show that to you. Don't know how much you can see of it, but we came into the room and this blue light all over the place. And here's the other thing. Alright, that's kind of weird that I need to turn on and turn off every single light manually. So when we leave the room, we have to make sure that everything is turned off. Nevertheless, let's talk about the room itself. So the room looks nice. It has some nice industrial design. I really don't feel that I'm in a generic hotel. It gives off a good vibe. However, the size of the room is a little bit problematic, at least for us, because we have a big bag, and in order to open it up, you know, we have to have a lot of space. We have a fridge. This is the first time on our trip where we have a fridge, and that is amazing. And we have an okay view. We're not looking at another wall right close to us. The bed is actually quite nice. Now for the price of this hotel, and bear in mind this is probably the same price we paid in Vienna and Munich, there we did not have things like a coffee machine or a water kettle, which I think, at least the water kettle, should be like a standard for most hotel rooms, but here at least we have some. The bathroom is very big. Maybe the placement of how you can hang your towels, that could be improved, but overall it's nice in size and it's good. And speaking about breakfast, it is probably the best that we had so far throughout all the journeys that we had. The area is very nice, it's pleasant, it's colorful, has a nice vibe, and the selection of the food is pretty amazing. I haven't seen such a huge selection throughout our journey. You have different kinds of sausages, you have different kinds of eggs, there is even a dessert bar. And here's the thing, when it comes to coffee, you not only get the push a button, you get some coffee out of a machine thing. No, you also have filter coffee. It's not specialty coffee grade, but it is nice to have it. And I did try it in the morning, and it was a pleasant experience. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention about the room is that this is an old building, and because of that, the infrastructure is a bit quirky, at least for us, because we don't understand why there is a pipe pumping air into the room, and it's working basically from 8 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock in the evening and making a noise. Maybe if you listen carefully, you can hear it. Yeah, it can be kind of a bummer if you want to take a nap in the afternoon for whatever reason, but it is turned off during the evening. Now from a location perspective, I think we are probably at the best place, because the main train station which we use is like a 9-minute walk from here, but the best thing is the inner town is like another 9 minutes the other direction. Really easy to get to main transportation hubs. Probably that's one of the biggest wins of this hotel, the location itself. But if I have to summarize all the experience so far, it's a kooky hotel, it's quirky, it has nice colors, it has an interesting ambience. The room could be bigger, yes, but at least we have a fridge, the staff is really nice, the location is great. probably this is the best value, even if I have some problems like with the room size. But if you want to stay at a large room, then you probably need to pay a lot more. Here we are to explore Prague. And if you haven't seen our video how our Prague journey was, then make sure to check that out, and maybe check out all the other videos that we've made throughout these 9 days where we have visited Vienna, Prague and Munich. And if you like them, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like these kind of videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next ones. Bye!